if I told you a single AI could run an entire marketing team by itself? Imagine logging into your marketing dashboard and seeing campaigns being created, emails being sent, social media posts scheduled, and performance reports generated automatically. You might think this is a futuristic scenario or some startup hype, but it is happening right now with Jasper AI. Companies of all sizes are testing the boundaries of what AI can do in marketing. If you have ever struggled to keep up with content creation, brainstorming ideas, or understanding analytics, this video is for you. By the end of it, you will understand exactly how Jasper AI is transforming marketing and why it might change your career or business forever. And just wait until we reveal the part most people don't see about how much power this AI really has. 5. The basics you need to know. Let's start with the fundamentals. Jasper AI started as a tool to help marketers write copy faster. It could generate blog posts, social media captions, and ad text in seconds. That alone was impressive, but it was only the beginning. The AI learned to understand the tone of your brand, your target audience, and even the psychology behind persuasive writing. For a long time, it was just an assistant. You still needed humans to review, tweak, and manage campaigns. People loved it because it saved hours of work, but nobody imagined it could do more. The turning point came when Jasper integrated with marketing platforms like HubSpot, MailChimp, and social media schedulers. Suddenly, it could not only write content but also post it automatically. Some companies started experimenting with workflows where Jasper could generate an email campaign, schedule it, and analyze the results without human intervention. At first, marketers were skeptical, but the results were hard to ignore. Engagement rates were up, and the workload for humans dropped dramatically. This was the moment Jasper AI crossed from being a tool to acting more like a virtual team member. For how Jasper AI replaces entire marketing teams. Now here is where it gets really interesting. Imagine a small business with a team of 5 marketers. Each person has their own responsibilities like writing blogs, managing social media, designing graphics, and analyzing metrics. Jasper AI can now handle almost all of these tasks. It can generate content for blogs, social media, and email campaigns. It can even adapt the messaging based on real-time analytics. When a campaign underperforms, Jasper can suggest changes or automatically adjust future posts to optimize performance. What makes this even more fascinating is the speed and consistency. Humans need breaks, they get tired, and creative ideas can run dry. Jasper works 24/7. It never misses deadlines and never suffers from burnout. Some companies have reported that they can operate marketing campaigns with fewer people and lower costs while achieving results comparable to or even better than their full teams. The twist here is that it doesn't just replace tasks. It replaces decision-making in certain areas. Jasper can identify trends, predict audience behavior, and create content tailored for maximum engagement. 3. Step-by-step breakdown of Jasper's workflow. Let's take a closer look at how Jasper AI actually runs a marketing team from start to finish. The process begins with data. Before Jasper can do anything meaningful, it needs a deep understanding of the brand, the audience, and the objectives of the campaign. This means feeding the AI information such as past campaign performance, brand guidelines, customer demographics, and even the tone and personality that the brand wants to convey. By analyzing this data, Jasper can learn what works, what doesn't, and how to create content that resonates with the target audience. Once Jasper has all the necessary data, it moves on to content creation. This is where the AI really shines. Jasper can generate multiple versions of social media posts, email sequences, ad copy, and even full blog articles in a matter of minutes. Tasks that used to take a human team days or even weeks can now be completed almost instantly. The AI doesn't just write randomly. It can optimize content for search engines, engagement, or conversion goals depending on the campaign's priorities. It can experiment with different headlines, formats, and styles to see what is likely to perform best. After content is created, scheduling and deployment come next. Jasper integrates with various marketing platforms to automatically schedule posts, send emails, and even adjust timing based on when the audience is most active. It can handle campaigns across multiple channels simultaneously, eliminating the hours marketers typically spend coordinating and planning. Finally, Jasper analyzes the results. It tracks open rates, click-through rates, engagement, and conversions. The AI generates reports and recommends improvements for future campaigns. Over time, it learns what works and continuously refines its strategy. In some cases, companies have even started letting Jasper make real-time adjustments without human intervention, effectively letting the AI manage the marketing workflow almost entirely on its own. 2. Myth-busting and emotional insights. Many people assume that using AI means losing the human touch. That is partly true, but it is not the whole story. Jasper does not feel emotions or creativity in the human sense, but it can replicate patterns of successful content and understand audience psychology. This is where it surprises many skeptics. Companies have reported that engagement actually improved because the AI tests multiple approaches simultaneously, something a human team could never do efficiently. There is also the fear that AI will take all marketing jobs. While some roles are at risk, there is a silver lining. Humans are still essential for strategy, brand vision, and complex creative projects. Jasper handles repetitive and analytical tasks, freeing marketers to focus on big-picture ideas. For small businesses, it means they can run sophisticated campaigns that were previously only possible for large companies. For marketers, it can feel like a mix of excitement and anxiety to watch an AI outperform so many human tasks. Emotionally, this is fascinating because it changes how we value work. Instead of long hours creating content, humans can shift to coaching AI, designing campaigns, and making high-level decisions. Jasper's rise forces companies to rethink their team structure, which is both thrilling and unsettling. And here is the cliffhanger. The most advanced companies are already experimenting with completely AI-run marketing departments where humans only supervise. 1. Real-world examples and the future. Let's look at some real-world examples. Several startups have publicly admitted that they run their entire social media campaigns using Jasper AI. One company increased its email open rates by 40% and engagement on social media by 60%, all managed by AI with minimal human input. Another used Jasper to launch a complete marketing funnel from awareness to conversion in just weeks. The results were faster than any human team could have achieved. Looking forward, this trend is likely to grow. Jasper AI continues to evolve, integrating with more tools and learning from more data. The future could see AI not only running marketing teams, but coordinating cross-department functions like sales and customer service. Businesses that adapt early may gain a huge competitive advantage, while those that resist risk falling behind. The twist here is that Jasper is not just a tool. It is a mirror showing what humans can do better. By understanding AI workflows, marketers can focus on creativity, empathy, and strategy, areas where humans will always excel. The emotional takeaway is powerful. We are witnessing a shift that may redefine the very nature of marketing work, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's take a moment to wrap this up. Jasper AI has grown far beyond being just a writing assistant. Today, it can handle entire marketing teams almost independently. From creating content to scheduling posts, analyzing performance, and optimizing campaigns in real time, it's doing work that once took multiple people days to finish. The best part is that Jasper isn't replacing humans completely. Instead, it handles repetitive and time-consuming tasks, giving marketers the freedom to focus on creativity, big-picture strategy, and making decisions that AI cannot replicate. This shift is both exciting and a little intimidating. It shows us how the future of marketing could look: faster, smarter, and more efficient. If this video gave you insight into how AI is transforming work, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more updates. And don't miss our next video where we break down how to integrate Jasper AI into your own workflow.